boasting updated, innovative features that provide reliable precision while rendering the riser block obsolete. This Jet 14-inch Deluxe Pro Bandsaw kit from Jet tackles even the toughest resawing jobs measuring up to 12 inches. A host of helpful details, including a high-tension spring design, gives you more power and control for clean, accurate cuts, and sturdy construction ensures optimum durability for long-term use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High cutting capacity and built-in retractable blade guard for versatility. To power through the material of various sizes. This bandsaw offers a cutting capacity width of 13.5 inches and a cutting capacity height of 12 inches. It also offers a built-in retractable blade guard that moves up and down from 0 to 12 inches. So you have the versatility to work with both smaller and larger workpieces. Number 2. Cast iron frame for powerful performance. With its massive, super tough cast iron frame and a blade speed of 1,500–3,000 SFPM, this jet packs a powerful punch to cut through material quickly and easily. The rigidity of this newly redesigned frame also allows for even the toughest resawing jobs and saves you the hassle of using a riser block. Number 3. Sturdy table for a wide range of projects. Thanks to its sturdy 15 by 15 inches work table that's designed to tilt 10 degrees left and 45 degrees right. This jet gives you the flexibility to meet the unique demands of each project, and with a height of 43.5 inches. The table ensures you can meet a range of woodworking jobs head-on. Number 4. Upper and lower ball bearing guides for reduced friction. This jet redesigned features lend incredible durability. Most significantly, upper and lower ball bearing guides help to reduce friction, which enhances blade performance and translates into longer blade life. Number 5. A range of features for precision and safety. An efficient Poly V-belt drive system provides more precise results while giving you the choice of 2 speeds for better control. Additionally, a convenient quick-release blade tension ensures flexibility and fast, effortless adjustments. There's also a blade guide post with rack and pinion adjustment for better accuracy, and an efficient high-tension spring design for consistently powerful performance even after repetitive and long-term use. Number 6. Easy view window and blade guide post for safety. Safety is of utmost importance when working with spinning blades. That's why this jet includes an easy-to-view blade tracking window. With this handy feature, you're always aware of the blade's position as you work. Number 7. Enclosed stand for better organization. This bandsaw helps you keep track of materials and reduce clutter in your shop by featuring an enclosed stand with a handy storage shelf. There's also an easy access door so you can quickly grab what you need and get back to work. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.